The DST Nidhi Center of Excellence in Advanced Technologies, established by PSG STEP at PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore, is supported by the Technology Translation and Innovation Division of DST, Government of India. This Center of Excellence aims to support startups in areas like the Internet of Things, deep tech, industrial automation, med tech, clean tech, and smart textiles. The state-of-the-art EMI/EMC Compliance Center at the COE tests products in industrial, consumer, and automobile electronics. The startups and industries from the region are utilizing the same for their product development needs. This has been a boon for the regional ecosystem. So far, the Center of Excellence has supported more than 190 startups. Here are some success stories. Cognitica AI Private Limited. Established in 2019, the company specializes in enhancing industry safety through AI and received the MeitY Scale-Up Investment Grant. Now, Cognita AI exports its products to the USA and the UK. Greenberg Mobility Solutions Private Limited. Specializing in EV cluster modules, it commenced operations in 2021 and received a grant from MeitY. In 2 years, it has reached a turnover of rupees 12 crores and expanded to their own manufacturing facility of 11,000 square feet with an employee strength of 52 as of December 2023. Dotworld Technologies Private Limited. Involved in hospitality and security robotics, it received grant support from Nidhi Prayas and secured seed fund support from NSTEDB, DST, and has now expanded its operations to Singapore. Neuralgo Software India Private Limited. Started with a vision to automate data science with AI, the company has achieved a turnover of rupees 7 crores. Under the DST Nidhi COE, PSG STEP has supported technology startups, developed technology, commercialized products, and contributed through generation of jobs, taxes, and significantly impacted the startups and industrial ecosystem in the region.